Do you know what we're doing today? Today, we are going to be making a tissue paper roll into something awesome. Remember the one when I made this tissue paper roll into a little doll? Yeah. New subscriber, the link is in the description below. Now, let's get started. First, you're gonna need a tissue paper roll, and you're gonna need a marker, a black marker, a tissue, some glue, some tape, and a bit of a cotton. Cut it into an oval shape. Color the tissue with black. Look, I am done. Now it's time to put it around the tissue paper roll. Now it's time to use the cotton. Now it's time to do the eyes. You're gonna need the paper, and you're gonna need a scissor. Now it's time to paste the eyes. Now it's time to do its beak. Now we have to glue them on the penguin. A little yellow under the beak, like this. A puppet, guys. Look, put your 2 fingers in and then you can control it. Okay guys, that was all for today. Bye! Make sure to subscribe, like,